Hey, Riverponics here, coming to you with an update. The indoor grow 4x4 tent. It's out of control. Well, be sure to check out all my other videos for your new subscribers. All this equipment I do offer. This is a patented grow system. You can check out my website, check out other videos. I do part these all the equipment out. You can buy it as a whole system or buy it piece by piece. I can get you lights, LED lights, full spectrum, pretty much the whole 9 yards. But everything's doing really good. Out of control, actually. I need to come in here and start pruning stuff, but this is just more for experimental purposes and for my own personal use as well. But that kale is growing in a 1 gallon grow bag, and it's just massive. And I got these habanero or poblano peppers. There's a handful of them on here on this plant. This thing's been producing some in the back. It's just getting overgrown where I need to peel stuff back so light can penetrate other things. This jalapeno here was started in a bag of soil for those who are new to my channel. And this is experimental too, so you can see all the roots. This is just worm castings. And you can see all the roots in there. And this thing is now really starting to put on a lot of peppers. You can see there's 3 there, I can see. 4, all kinds of blooms, but it's just now starting to really put on some peppers. Some more coming in, but it's very cool. So this is self-watering, so water and nutrients comes from my brewer and from the vortex bucket I created, which is an add-on. This is a patented grow system. This is what feeds the grow system. Pumps out, it's a closed loop and circulates water through these channels, okay? I have other videos that get more in depth with what's going on, but I just want to show you these are collard greens right here. This is collard greens, and that it's in a 1 gallon grow bag, and that's I came up with my own soilless mix too, and that's what that's growing in, my own soilless mix. That's it right there. Worm castings in a bag here, and then in the back that poblano plant right there is growing in soil, and that aloe vera is growing in soil. So this growth system is extremely flexible, being able to do multiple things. You can grow strictly hydroponically in here. There's all sorts of things you can do with this system, using LED lights and fluorescence, T5 fluorescence. But these LED lights here are from Hidden Harvest Grow Company, full spectrum LED lights. These boards are 36 watts a piece, and you can't beat them for how efficient they are and just how well they work. So check them out. Brad's a good dude. But yeah, pretty impressive. So I will actually pick one of these leaves. All right, put it down on the ground once. See how big that leaf is? My hand. Does that even compare? This thing's huge, man. Look, it'll cover up my entire brewer. 5 gallon brewer. That leaf covers it up. It's crazy, isn't it? Look at that thing. Beautiful, man. That's what Riverponics can do right there. Microgreens. I'm getting ready to do another experiment with my microgreens coming up. So stay tuned for more videos. Check out Brad at Hidden Harvest Grow Lights if you like these checkerboard 36 watt full spectrum LEDs. Pretty cool. Thank you for watching. See ya.